Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can unfriend someone in Snapchat app. Please don't forget to put your like before you start watching this video. Also subscribe to our channel and please write comments after watching. So let's go ahead and get started. Previously, if you have pinned any chats on Snapchat and now would like to unhook them, I'm going to show you how to do it in literally a few seconds. First of all, open Snapchat. Now at the bottom, go to the Chats section. And at the top, you will see all the chats and conversations that you have pinned. Now to unhook such a chat, you will need to tap and hold on the conversation with the person. After that, select the chat and notification settings. Next, unhook the conversation. It goes like this. As you can see, the conversation was instantly unhooked. That's how easy and fast, friends, you can unfriend anyone on Snapchat. I really hope you found the video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to put likes, subscribe to the channel, and write your comments. Bye everyone.